Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then act immediately. Memorize sine, cosine, tangent as opposite/adjacent/hypotenuse and their reciprocals. Make sure algebra skills are fluent so you can isolate variables and rearrange trig equations quickly. Once done, drill the key angles and unit circle coordinates until recall is automatic. This gives you the vocabulary and shortcuts to solve problems faster and reduces cognitive load when learning new identities. Next, develop reproducible routines for tackling problems. Start by identifying whether a triangle, unit circle, or identity approach fits best. Then apply the most useful identities, Pythagorean, angle sum, double angle, and substitute to reduce expressions to basic sine/cosine terms. Make sure to check domain and sign conventions as you manipulate. This prevents sign errors. Once you can map a problem to a routine, practice mixed problems, time to build speed, and to reveal gaps in the method. Finally, expand to inverse functions, graph shapes, and solving trig equations across intervals. This completes the toolkit for calculus and physics applications. Then focus on applied problems, modeling waves, rotations, and periodic phenomena so you see why techniques matter. If you get stuck, simplify, reduce to one identity or plug numbers to test behavior. This quick diagnostic shows whether algebraic steps or conceptual mapping failed. Make sure to revisit the foundational drills. If errors persist, to rebuild automaticity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.